Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to install apps without Apple ID on iPhone. So I'm going to opening my App Store first and let's download any dummy app from here. So I'm tapping on Gate, and as you can see, to download any apps from my App Store, I have to verify or enter my Apple ID password here. So right now I will show you how you can easily disable this password option, and we will download apps from App Store using our Face ID verification process. And here's how to do it. First of all, go to your iPhone settings, and here tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restrictions, and tap on iTunes and App Store purchase, and here you will find this require password option. So here you have to select don't require, then go back from here. Now you can disable content and privacy restriction option. Go back to your main home screen for settings app, and then tap on your Apple ID or your name and tap on media and purchase. Tap on password settings, and here disable require password and select require after 15 minutes. Tap on done. Go back to your settings home page and now scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter here your current passcode, and here you will find this option use Face ID for. You have to enable iTunes and App Store, and now you have to verify your Apple ID password. So in this box write your Apple ID password and tap on OK. Once done, I'm going to lock my iPhone and unlocking. And now I'm going to my App Store again, and now let's try to download our app. And as you can see, now Apple App Store not asking to enter my Apple ID password. So here's asking to verify my Face ID. So all you have to need to download any app without your Apple ID password, just press on your side button or power button for 2 times, and then you have to verify your Face ID. So here's I'm verifying my Face ID. Once you successfully verified your Face ID, the app will be installed on your iPhone without Apple ID password. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.